Hello, my name is Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did this simple slick back easy ponytail. Lately I have not been in the mood to do my hair after I took out my passion twist and what's going on in the world. I didn't feel like recording a video, but I said, you know what, life goes on. You still gotta keep moving and still gotta keep living. So just wanted to show you guys how I styled my hair. Alright, so let's jump into that video. My hair is freshly washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. So the only two products that I'm going to use for this style is my DIY hair whip and Line Xtreme Gel. I usually wear my part on the side, but I think I'm going to try something different, do a part down the middle. I never usually care about having my part straight, but since it's down the middle, I think I'm going to try to make it look a little straighter than I usually do. I always like to work with my hair in sections, and doing this ponytail, I'm going to do the same thing. Section my hair off. So it's been about 2 hours, and I just wanted to show you guys how my hair look a little bit dry, nowhere near dry. And also, I band my ponytail just so it can stretch. So when it dry, I didn't want it to shrink up into a little puff ball. lastly, I'll be using my DIY hair growth oil. I like to oil my part. Whew. A little bit of oil on my hands. Easy little gel back ponytail. Don't pay this little indent in my head from the scarf and the intention that go away in 5 minutes. But that is it. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.